slow down dito upo na yung sita. Hatag nito upo mako. Oh Sikan ka. Ito pa messy noodles here. Guys, we're going to be unboxing my first Shein box. They actually both came at the same time, but because of the holidays, my box got slowed down a bit. Let's see. I'll show you guys my haul. First thing up. Oh, Scorpio necklace. I always had to get it because I'm a Scorpio. I got these sponges because they were cheaper online than in my country. Unbelievable. Panoramic camera for security or home security. These are good. They're shaped like a lamp. I'll show you guys. And then you just plug it in an electric outlet. This one comes with a 128 gigabyte memory card. And this one was the cheaper version, but still good. Only night vision. We tested this out before on another camera we got from Shein that was like this one. I think you need to be in a well-lit place, even though it has night vision. But that's what it is like here in South America. It's a lot darker here than in European countries. Lunchbox. Cute. It's a set you can take it apart, and it has its own forks. I thought this would be a lot bigger because it looked a lot bigger on the picture. But these are hair ties for kids. I got slippers. Cute bunny hair ties. This is the hair. This outfit that I got. I only pictures of that later, of the outfit for you guys to see. Oh, this is the tool bag, I think. Okay, so this is the tool bag that I got. Oh no, this is a leather jacket. I thought it was going to be the tool bag. This is awesome. I got this for my on the motorcycle list. I think this one is super nice. I love it. Something in the packaging too. Let's see what that. Oh, it's the belt. Comes with a nice leather belt. That aside, these are for the air fryer, silicone. This is home security for your door, extra protection. Oh, I also got myself this dress. Put it here. Leaving it a bit messy for now. This is another slipper, blue one. Got for my cousins. And this one I got for myself with the cute red and gray bunny ears. I saw a pink one too. That one was. Oh, I got this dress for my niece, but she's been doing well in school, and I always promise the kids something when they get an A. Doesn't it look cute? Fabulous. I can't wait to see how it'll look on her. Okay. Moving on. More sponge. This sponge really got flattened out during the shipping. What's in this? Oh, the ribbon. Just give me the ribbon. It's kind of nice. Oh, this is also a dress that I got for her. If she's watching this, my cousin, you better keep working good in school, and this coming to kick your ass. All of y'all. I have a lot of cousins. Anyway. Wow. The unicorn glow in the dark blanket. I don't know what happened to it, but it got real flattened out. Real flattened out, and it looks hard. Vacuumed. But this is supposed to glow in the dark at night. We'll turn up light. Not bad. I like the quality. These are my complimentary undies that I got to pick out. Check it out. And last but not least in our box, I'll open the other outfit later for you guys. But it's this. Oh, this is the tool bag, I think. Yeah, this definitely has a zip lock. I'm just gonna open it like this for now. It's a lot smaller than I expected it to be. I thought it was a lot bigger because it looked really big on the picture, but it's not. That's why you should always read the description, kids. And I got this cleaning brush. You can put soap here and then clean your shoes or plates or anything that needs any cleaning. And this I got to clean my glasses. It also looked a lot bigger on the picture, just to show you that. And yeah, I've got two different things. There's one last thing that I'm going to show you guys, and it is this package. I hope you guys enjoy this New Year unboxing video. If you like this content and want to see more stuff like this, make sure to visit and subscribe to my Storytime vlog. Oh, my Christmas dress, it came too late, but it still looks pretty. I love it. You guys like it? Anyway, subscribe and see you at the next episode or open the next box. Bye-bye.